Do you want to make your hard-earned money work for you while protecting it from debasement from the government through their endless money printing, causing rising inflation? Then you should try the gold lease option through the UPMA. Now, if you don't know what the UPMA is, it is the United Precious Metals Association. It is think of it between a online bank account and trust fund for your precious metals. So what we're going to do is we're going to log into the UPMA account. I already have one. We just log in. And on our home screen, we will see two main portals. We will see first the estimated balance of my account. Here's the estimation in US dollar value. And here's what it is. I have 766.26 GoldBacks. Over here on this side, you're going to see the prices for gold ounces, gold dollars, silver dollars, and GoldBacks. Now for this account, I only have GoldBacks. So what we're going to do is we're going to go down here to the side. We're going to go to leases. Click on that. So I don't have any current leases. So we're going to create a new one. This lease type is going to be for GoldBacks. And I'm going to lease 766.26 GoldBack. What that's going to do, it's going to earn me approximately 2% per year paid back in gold. So the assets to lease is GoldBacks, the amount to lease, all my GoldBacks. The lease period, it's an indefinite period, so it continues as long as I give a 60-day written notice to terminate. So my name, agree that entering my name, I electronically sign this lease and agree and am bound to the terms and conditions. Of course, you click your terms and conditions, and here's the lease agreement. So this is through the UPMA and the Alpine Gold Exchange. Alright. And of course, you guys can easily have this pulled up. I'll try to link it in the description. Alright, so for the amount of GoldBacks I have, it's going to be a 2% GoldBack lease. So every month, that 2% will be divided by 12. So whatever 2% divided by 12 is, I will be paid out 2% per year in GoldBacks. So I write the name. I will get Betzelberger. And move this around. Submit. Alright. Lease auto approved. Close. So now, I am, today, my offer of GoldBacks for 276.26 GoldBacks. I'm leasing it at 2% APR. Status is leased. Oh, it's okay, buddy. Sorry if you hear that. That's my newborn son. I'm currently trying to get him to go back to sleep. And it's going to begin today. So that is how you can make your money, your hard-earned money, protected in gold, work for you. Thank you for listening. Hope this was helpful. And remember, good money is sound money. Thank you guys, and see you next time.